Today I'm going to show you how to get the 2007 Transformers movie Voyager Class Megatron back into his jet mode. Hold on. The first thing you want to do is you want to see there are these levers right here. You want to pull those back. That'll retract his hands, and you can also just push them in yourself. Then what you want to do is you want to take this section, move it outward like this, take the torso, move it back, and move it like so. And on the back right here, there are these little slots and pegs that, hold on, I don't know if you can see that or not. Yeah, there are these black pegs that go into here, but it's a little hard trying to get them lined up properly on both sides, but yeah, I got it. Let me just fix this. There we go, I got it right. And for the torso, you're supposed to have this lift up, I think, but it doesn't do that so well on mine, so what I have to do is like hold it myself, and they did sculpt a bunch of good stuff under there, even though it gets covered up. Then you want to take the nose cone, and there's these tabs and those slots right there. You just peg this in, but it's hard to do while on camera. Let me do this off camera. Okay, I got it in. Then take this other arm, hold it in like this, and tab that in. I think I got that right. Then hold these down, and hold on one second. There you have Megatron back into his jet mode. Goodbye.